Few months ago, I made an unboxing video of this amazing custom water cooling kit by EK called EK Kit X360 EXTREME. My plan was to use it in my i9-9900K build, but since that time I built several 3rd gen Threadripper builds and realized that to cool the 3970X would be much bigger challenge than just the i9. I never built a custom water cooling loop myself in the past, so this is my first time. So, do you think ordinary housewife can on first try build successfully custom water loop to cool down AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3970X monster, or will I fail? Let's have a look. Hi, I'm Teresa from Morgonaut.cloud and I provide personal individual support with Apple Mac, Windows, Linux and server builds. So if you would need any help, just join my website membership, link is in this video description, and I will personally help you while Skype video call and remote session directly to your computer in front of your eyes. Make sure you click the subscribe button below. Hit the bell next to it and choose all notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. So, did I fail? Well, sorry, I will not satisfy haters. I made it on first try. I made this video with single goal, to give you enough courage to go this road too and try it yourself without any fear. If I can make it, then you can make it. This EK X360 EXTREME is the ultimate and most powerful kit they offer. And you will see later it contains really massive EK Coolstream XE360, which is the highest performance radiator, 6 cm thick. EK DDC 3.2 PWM Elite Edition is the highest performance water pump that has been proven by the enthusiasts of the water cooling community. In this kit they included EK Supremacy Evo, universal CPU block, but since I decided to install it on the 3970X Threadripper, I had to buy TRX40 socket compatible water block, the EK Quantum Velocity STR4. Other than that, I used only components included in this stock EK X360 EXTREME kit. I prepared time-lapse video covering the whole process of disassemble old cooling, preparing the new one, planning, confusion, installation and final testing. I sped up my time-lapse by 1000%, so it's not boring for you. But still you will be able to see nicely the whole process in detail and also where I struggled. At the end of this video, I will share what exact problems I had, how I overcame those, what could I do better next time and what you should be aware of. So, let's go! This is my first experience with custom water cooling. I hope you will enjoy it. By the way, detailed list of all components I used to water cool the Threadripper 3970X Hackintosh monster, as well as all hardware parts I listed for you in this video description. So, let's go!
tight, so just sit tight. When she lets her hair down, she drives me wild. And she looks in my eyes, she's in the groove now. Gotta make her mine.
So, as you could see, I made it! No leaks, everything is working perfectly on first try. Temperatures under sustained maximum load are around 80 degrees of Celsius, and that's because my office environment is extremely hot. Normally it's here 30 degrees of Celsius when I shoot videos, because I have to turn off air condition and closed windows. So in most average offices or homes you will have lower ambient temperature, so you'll have even better results than me. I don't recommend to remove, install or repaste any CPU while computer is standing on your table like mine is. Always laying down on the backside. I had to keep it standing for you so you can see it better on camera what I do. Next, read the fucking manual of each component of the loop. It's really worth it. I read manuals only in worst cases, and that's also why I sometimes spend more time with it than I could. Next is to plan your loop. I simply used my notepad and draw the whole loop and all loop inputs and outputs, simply the correct flow direction. At this moment I try to use the standard configuration of the Fractal Design Define R6 case with the panel in front. In that case, the reservoir and most of the loop would be hidden behind it, but I wanted to see the loop and all the components. Not to massage my ego, but to see any potential leaks in case of any problems. So I decided to move this panel from the front to back, and that turned out to be a huge problem. Because I use the MSI TRX40 Creator motherboard, which is eATX format size, which means it's bigger than ordinary ATX, so it covers the standard holes for cables coming from the back of the case. So when I would move the panel to the back, I would not be able to route any cables from the power supply. So I had to heavily modify and bend this panel as a compromise. It works, but I know it's not super clean solution, but it's not visible. I also don't like the fact that the radiator fans are blowing hot air to the case and not out, but the radiator is so massive, so it will simply not fit on top. So using this case to position it in the front is the only option. Solution would be to choose different case, like for example the Lian Li PC011 Dynamic XL. After this water cooling experience, I can recommend you should always have some additional fittings. That's hand in hand with the notepad and the planning of the loop I was talking about earlier. I made the mistake, I planned my loop just few minutes before shooting of this video. I regret I did not have at least one 90-degree angle fitting, especially for this part here. That would absolutely deserve a 90-degree fitting. But okay, it still works fine, but I simply know it could be better. Also, to add for example quick releases or drain port to my loop would be nice. But wait, I said this is my first attempt with custom loop, so be indulgent to me. Now I'm wiser. So, as you could see, you absolutely don't have to fear about custom water cooling. If I could make it, then you can make it too. This EK X360 EXTREME kit is the easiest way how to jump into custom water cooling with high performance. If you want the longest lifespan of your Threadripper or any other CPU, custom water loop is the way to go. Sure, you can expand it even further to cool down also your GPUs. So don't forget, in this video description below, you can find all components I used with direct links where to buy it, so check it out. Don't be afraid, go ahead. If you would have any additional questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. And if you would need any help with Apple Mac, Windows, Linux or server build, just join my website membership. Link is in this video description. And I will personally help you while Skype video call and remote session directly to your computer in front of your eyes. Make sure you click the subscribe button below, hit the bell next to it and choose all notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. So I hope I made your day again little better. If so, please click on the like button below. Click also the share button and share this video with your friends so it can help to more people. Morgonaut is always here to help. And of course, don't forget to watch my other videos. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time, my friends.